Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on the behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to the research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, the main aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan offers a course, plan, design, and create high-quality videos for online advertisement and marketing using OBS Studio. It is Lecture 4, Basics of OBS Studio. I'm your instructor, Zainab Shokar. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, I will present quick recap. After that, I will present Basics of OBS Studio. So let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented basics of video recording and what devices or tools are suitable to record videos in real world environment and virtual environment. Now let's move to the second part of this lecture, Basics of OBS Studio. Before moving forward, let's see the difference between most frequently used terms: screenshot, screencast, and live stream. A screenshot can be defined as an image of data displayed on the screen of a computer or mobile device. On the other hand, screencast is defined as a video recording or transmission of data displayed on the screen of a computer or mobile device, typically with accompanying audio. And finally, a live stream is defined as the process to transmit or receive live video and audio coverage of an event over the internet. OBS Studio. OBS Studio is free, open source, and cross-platform software for screencasting and live streaming. The main purpose of OBS Studio is screencasting and live streaming on social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Why OBS Studio? There are a number of reasons for using OBS Studio. Number 1, OBS Studio is free and powerful. Number 2, OBS Studio is simple and easy to use. Number 3, OBS Studio provides a wide range of robust features for screencasting. Number 4, OBS Studio offers live streaming for a wide range of social media platforms such as YouTube Live, Hitbox, Facebook Live, Twitch, etc. System requirements. System requirements of OBS for different operating systems are as follows. For Windows, we need DirectX 10.1 compatible GPU. For Mac operating system, Intel or Apple Silicon CPU, OpenGL 3.3 compatible GPU, and Mac OS High Sierra 10.13 or later. For Linux or Linux, we need OpenGL 3.3 compatible GPU, X Window System or Wayland. To-do and important tasks. To-do task. The to-do task is write down more specific features of OBS Studio which are not mentioned in this lecture. Your turn task. The your turn task is select a video recording software other than OBS Studio from the list of softwares mentioned in the previous lecture, that is, lecture number 3, video recording, and answer the following questions. For the selected video recording software, write down its definition, purpose, strength, and system requirements. Lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture I presented basics of OBS Studio along with its strengths and system requirements. In next lecture, Inshallah, in next lecture I will present download OBS Studio for Windows. Allama Ibn Numan Noor Markada said, there is a consensus among all religious scholars that reciting Durood Sharif on Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam is superior among all good deeds. Jazakumullah khair. We should be very thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us with his afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.